लाइट प्रॉपर नहीं दिख रहा. Today I will explain exercise 6.5 question number 13. Question is, D and E are the points on the sides CA and CB respectively of the triangle ABC right angle at C. Prove that AE square plus BD square equals to AB square plus DE square. So what is given in this is ABC is a right angle triangle. So first you write given ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at C, and D and E are the points on the side CA and CB. Second, D and E are points on sides CA and CB respectively. To prove is AE square plus BD square, that is equals to AB square plus DE square. So first you will join AE and BD. Join AE, join BD. Okay, and join DE also. So you can write construction join AE, BD and DE. Now see the proof. In triangle ABC, angle C equals to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, AB square, that is equals to AC square plus BC square. That is by Pythagoras theorem. Again, angle DCE. In triangle DCE, angle C is 90 degree. Again, it is a right angle triangle. So DE square, that is equals to CD square plus CE square. Square of the hypotenuse, that is equals to sum of the square of the perpendicular and the base. This you have studied from the very childhood. Now, let this equation be 1 and 2. This is also by Pythagoras theorem, the same reason. Adding 1 and 2. What we get? AB square plus DE square, that is equals to AC square plus BC square plus CD square plus CE square. Now just see, we can rearrange this one. AC square plus CE square plus BC square plus CD square. Now just see these two and these two. AC square plus CE square, that is equals to AE square, because it is a right angle triangle. So we can write this one AB square plus DE square, and here you can write AB square plus DE square, that is equals to AC square plus CE square is AE square. and BC square plus CD square, that is equals to BD square. So this was to prove. Here AC square plus CE square, this is again a right angle triangle, so it is equals to AE square. And BC square plus CD square, it is again a right angle triangle, so it is equals to BD square. So this was to prove. Now see question number 16. In an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side is equals to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. So given here is ABC is a equilateral triangle. It means all the 3 sides are equal. AB equals to BC equals to AC first. And the second is given that AD is perpendicular on BC. What you have to prove? Prove is 3 times the square of one side. So 3 times of AB square, that is equals to 4 times the square of its altitude, that is 4 times AD square. Now see the proof. In triangle ABD and ACD, AB equals to AC given because it is an equilateral triangle. This is your given equilateral triangle. AD is common in both. And angle ADB, that is equals to the angle ADC, 90 degree. This is also given. So the triangle ABD is congruent to the triangle ACD by RHS, congruence rule. Therefore, BD equals to CD by CPCT. Okay, BD equals to CD means BD equals to half of BC. BD is half of BC. Now, in triangle ABD or ADB, AB square, that is equals to AD square plus BD square. Now ABD, it is a right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, AB square, that is equals to AD square plus BD square. Or this implies AB square, that is equals to AD square plus BD is half of BC. So you can write BC by 2 square. Or this implies AB square, that is equals to AD square plus BC square by 4. Or this implies AB square minus BC square by 4, that is equals to AD square. Or this implies 4AB square minus BC square by 4, that is equals to AD square. And this implies 4AB square minus AB square. Why? Because AB equals to BC. This equals to 4AD square. Or this implies 3AB square, that is equals to 4AD square. And this was to prove. 3ab square, that is equals to 4ad square.